These law enforcement officials withheld evidence that suggested that the person who committed this crime was not Ronnie Long. They hid the evidence from the defendant, but just as significant, they hid it from the prosecutor. And so the prosecutor made an argument that was just flatly false. But, in his defense, at least to this extent, he was not aware of all of the evidence that had been withheld. The detectives not only withheld it from the defense, but didn't tell the prosecutors about it either. And that's the thing that I think Judge Wynn's question, raises for the Attorney General. Doesn't justice matter in this case? Why are you out there defending this kind of conduct and arguing that this was a fair trial? We elect attorney generals, and they're supposed to be ministers of justice, and yet they're willing to defend almost any kind of misconduct on the part of prosecutors or detectives. And I hope that when the court decides this case, that the opinion will comment on that as well.
The state is defending the indefensible in a way. It knows that Long's constitutional rights were violated. It argued today that it took a hard look because of its concern, knowing of the improprieties in this case. Yet after its hard look, it concluded that the state got it right. Well, that was all a manufactured argument. It was untrue. They realized that there's a violation here. They're trying to use procedural mechanisms to keep Long convicted despite the violation of his constitutional rights. And if anything came through today, I hope that came through.